What is up, you guys? Today we are going to be doing a short little video on some over axle pipes that I just copped from some guy on Facebook Marketplace, and let's just take a peek on how they look. So today we got a little bit of a different video. It's not going to be anything too special, but it is going to be something that is very crucial with this whole exhaust setup change that I'm doing with Mia over there in the background. And it is basically these over axle pipes. They're Ford OEM over axle pipes. I didn't want to get like the other ones that are aftermarket that they're what, 350, 360, something like that, and they just have like, instead of this little curve here, it's just like straight through. I just decided to get these OEM ones. They were $150, paid for them cash, got them off of a Facebook Marketplace post. And the reason why I needed these was because the exhaust setup that Mia has right now is a Flowmaster catback exhaust, and the catback area comes with different over axle pipes that will not fit my exhaust setup that I'm gonna go with the Roush axle back in the back. So I had to cop these, and as I was gonna get an X pipe too, I was just gonna get one from American Muscle, or a Ford Racing one for like 200 bucks. I changed my mind. Now, the reason why I changed my mind was because when I went to go pick these up, the guy that was selling them, he had a 2013 or 14 GT Mustang 5.0, obviously, but he had a VMP blower. I had like not fully built engine, but just had like some oil pump gears and everything like that. But it was built to, I believe he was saying, like 700 crank horsepower. It was honestly a beautiful machine. I'm gonna show it in this video. I took a little video. Of his exhaust setup, and he pretty much had was it JBL or JBA long tube headers with the off-road X pipe, but had resonators in the back, but with the Roush axle back. And ever since listening to that exhaust setup, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was just gonna get the X pipe and call it a day, put the Roushes on, slap it on, and give you guys a video of how the Roushes sound. But something about me, as soon as I heard it about that video, as you guys just heard, it doesn't do it justice, the video. It is so loud, and it just, the sound of freedom and bald eagles just coming out of that exhaust was just too much for me to handle. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna get long tube headers, and I'm gonna get a different X pipe, because as you know, the regular X pipe will not fit long tube headers, so I gotta get a special one. I said, the regular setup that I was gonna go with, we're going full on exhaust, long tube headers, probably Cadet X pipe, because it's hard to get an off-road X pipe now. We finally got the over axle pipes. They come with resonator deletes, so it will be pretty loud. And got the Roushes over there in the background. And this exhaust setup is gonna be freaking ridiculous. There's some clips that I've heard of this exhaust setup, and obviously like the one that I've heard, it's just crazy. So sorry guys that, this whole exhaust setup is taking a lot longer than I like personally. It's already been 2 months in the making, it's on its 3rd month of it being in the making. But trust me guys, as soon as we finish up this whole exhaust setup with the long tubes and the Roush axle backs in the back, you guys are gonna love the way this puppy sounds. So that's really it for me. I just wanted to give you guys an update of what I'm gonna be doing with the whole exhaust. Like I said, it was, I was just gonna go simple and easy, but no, as soon as I heard that exhaust setup, I said to myself, why would I be cheating myself of all this glory and all this freedom of all these bald eagles just running out that 5.0? So I said, I gotta do the exact same thing. And guess what? Just placed the order on the long tubes. Gonna get the X-pipe also. I'm a broke college student, so be patient with me. You know, I can't just drop over $1,000, $2,000 plus all in one day. It's gonna be a process for me, but trust me, once we get this set up, everything's gonna, oh my God, it's just gonna sound nice. Trust me, guys. But like I said, that's it for me. It is Drew, and I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys are enjoying the content. And I mean, you better subscribe and hit the bell notification, because sheesh, once you see what we got cooking for Mia, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.